Hello dear friends, in this video we see the another regulatory mechanisms of chitin degradation. First is transcriptional activation. Specific regulators control the expression of chitin degrading genes, allowing for rapid tune responses in the population. Second is oxidative pathway regulation. Besides hydrolytic pathways, some marine bacteria utilize oxidative pathways involving lytic polysaccharide monooxygenases to break down crystalline chitin with specialized regulation of enzymes and transporters. Third is environmental factors. Temperature and other carbon source, for example glucose, significantly influence the rate of chitin degradation. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.